Commission, Mr. Speaker, we found ourselves there. Mr. Speaker, if I was to liken Kenya to a public company, Mr. Speaker, I would say Kenya is a very high-cared company, Mr. Speaker. We have borrowed more than what we should have done, Mr. Speaker. And those of us who are accountants, who have managed public entities, Mr. Speaker, you know, when a company is high-cared, Mr. Speaker, you have two options. One is to close the company, Mr. Speaker. Number two, Mr. Speaker, is to bring in more capital, Mr. Speaker, by the shareholders. Mr. Speaker, this republic, the shareholders are Kenyans. Mr. Speaker, this house is the board of management, Mr. Speaker. The president is the CEO, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we must make a decision whether we want to close the company or we bring in more capital injection, Mr. Speaker. If you ask the shareholders of the company will say, no, we are not closing the company, Mr. Speaker. We need to do something to bring in more capital, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, if I liken this country to an individual, Mr. Speaker, I would say the person is sick. When you are sick, Mr. Speaker, you must seek for medical advice, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sometimes the doctor prescribes medicine. And Mr. Speaker, medicine are not always very sweet. They are not palatable, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sometimes the doctor might even prefer that surgery be done, Mr. Speaker. And surgery is not very nice, Mr. Speaker. But Mr. Speaker, we must do it because that is the only thing that remains to be done. Why am I saying that, Mr. Speaker? This country is faced by very serious problems of public debts, very serious problems of cost of living, very serious problems of the need to create employment, Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Speaker, if we continue doing things the same way we used to do, Mr. Speaker, it can only be the results are the same. We'll continue borrowing, Mr. Speaker. We'll continue not having employment for our youth, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, I'm only saying this bill is good because it proposes radical changes, Mr. Speaker, to help us to resolve the problems that will come, that we are in now, Mr.